Hi, this is Nielsen, artist in the woods, and I am going to be painting out here in the Sierras, and I'm going to be looking through the trees here at this really pretty snow leading up to the light green grasses, and then showing the trees beyond in the sky. Going to just lay in a wash, sort of like toning, I suppose. This angle. Bring that up a little more. Here's my middle here. So those background trees are very grayed off, and I want to do a wash for that area back there. So the tree line is pretty much the same angle as this, but I don't want it exactly the same. So I've got some highs and lows in there, and then it's the mountain coming in behind the trees. I'm going to place these in the right. So there's some over here. And there's some broken off trees back in here. Storms take a lot of these out. There's some off in the distance that are grayed out more. Look at the whole scene, not just one tree. Don't just work on one tree. What I want to do first is get the snow in before the light changes. Clean white for that. And see, with the snow, I want to see what colors I'm seeing in the snow. It's not just white. There's a lot of blue. There's some red in there. There are shadows, and then there are very light areas. The snow can sometimes be lighter where you're seeing the highlight, the accent of the snow can be lighter than the sky. It's one of those that sort of defies that rule that the sky is always the lightest thing in the scene. That'll be my hottest color right in there. I'm losing the mountain behind a little bit, so I'm going to use some of that color, that very light color, and then put some blue into it and then go back in. It's should be a little darker because it needs to be darker than the sky. So here I am comparing again. I'm going to bring that up and then down. Give it a little, yeah, that's better. All right, and then I totally lost that line on this side as well, which was back in here with some darker tones, but I think what I'll do is, instead of doing that, I'll go in with some tree color, back tree color, and do those. So as long as it's a little bit blue, it'll look more like it's behind things. I want to show that some of these trees are back behind. Okay, and now I'll go in with my trees again. Some of these are in front of other, there's growth in front of the trees right in here. Thank you for joining me today. This is Nielsen, Artist in the Woods. I hope you enjoyed this video out here in the woods of the Sierras. Hope you're getting out there and doing some of these scenes, even though the weather might be cold for you. Try to get out there, bundle up, and get your things out, and happy painting.